Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back again in a brand new video. Today, we will create image masking into shapes in Pixellab, like this. Open Pixellab.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.